Hello guys, welcome to Mercedes-Benz King. Today we are at Motor Classic Hungary with beautiful Mercedes-Benz classics. 280 SL Pagoda, with next to me a beautiful color combination, green body, green wheels and a green interior. We have a beautiful lineup with, in the end, the Idrium Silver 280 SL Pagoda, and next to me Project Düsseldorf. And this has a great history, how it came here into the shop of Motor Classic Hungary and went through a full restoration. And I will show you the clips later on with before and after. It is a beautiful Anthracite exterior color. These cars are all for sale at Motor Classic Hungary, fully restored and ready to drive. They are from the 60s, well preserved, and now innovated and ready to go on the road with all ease. And having a lineup of 280 SL Pagoda is beautiful. Especially here at the workstation of Motor Classic, they have more than 25 years of experience in restoring classic Mercedes-Benz cars. These cars are from the 60s and they are timeless, still head turning if you see them driving outside. And yes, it is also a driver's car, the SL Superleicht. This has a 6-inline engine producing 170 horsepower. And a full restoration at Motor Classic Hungary starts from A until Z. So we have the full motor restored, all aging material has been replaced, and the items that are restorable are restored. Besides the engine, the full underneath is restored too. After the restoration process, the cars are being tested also at the diagnostic center. I will show you the full process. It is even maybe more important than the restoration itself, that everything works smoothly. In that way, you are preserving history and driving innovation. In today's video, we will have a look at the customizations of all three Pagodas. They are actually for sale and completely ready to be delivered. So let's start with one of my favorite Pagodas right here in this lineup. From the beautiful silhouette and the trunk area where you see the Mercedes star curved, beautiful shaped, the trunk opener, the bumper with the exhaust pipe. Then the 280 SL lettering, and just check out the part around the taillight. We will move over to the interior and I will open the door just like a G-Class. Let's listen to the door. Amazing. And you notice the chroming also in the inside of the door, which is fully done in-house at Motor Classic. Also the chroming of the Mercedes star, and actually every chroming detail is done in-house. So I will quickly go inside and let's close the door. Beautiful sound. My first impression is the interior combination color matching with the exterior. It is in a beautiful green design. You have a nice manual over here with a beautiful steering wheel lined up. Amazing wood in the interior and beautiful leather quality. Everything is done in-house at Motor Classic Hungary. It has the full Becker sound system with a clock right there. The Project Düsseldorf is one of my favorites in terms of the interior. Just check out the beige color, fully done in-house with leather upholstery, beautiful wide steering wheel and amazing details. All the chroming parts have been done in-house, the beautiful mirror, the chroming around here. And actually for the US or European cars, there were different rules. In the US, you can't have the gloss chrome because of the shining of the light to the driver's eyes. But that's why sometimes we see matte chrome. But this interior is stunning. Beautiful leather upholstery, chrome part inside. And we will quickly go to the interior. Fairly easy entrance if you consider the pretty relatively tiny interior. Lovely sound, but I will close the door once more for it to be perfectly aligned. And there we have a beautiful steering wheel with Mercedes star in the center, the Becker sound system, beautiful manual gearbox, and glove department. So tell me guys, which interior do you like more? The white one or the green one matching the exterior body? There's an ashtray right here, beautiful, with leather and chrome around it. So once we close the door, you notice also the chrome line around the shape of the car with beautiful fabric inside, leather details. And let's check out the rear. We have a huge trunk, beautiful chrome bumpers with the fuel cap in the back. There we have a spare tire, a huge amount of trunk space. And if you check out the wheels, they actually all of them have matching wheels with the body color. Here we have the entrance seat gray matching with the body, but the difference is obviously the line on the tire. And I'm very curious what original the idea was, line or without. But you can let me know in the comment section below. Right here, I really love the color. This is the yttrium silver. It has the bumper in chrome, but it really matches the exterior color from this perspective. For my generation, this will be like an original Mercedes color, but obviously in the 60s it was different. Beautiful one line at the front grille showing a very sportive look. This specific Pagoda is the only one of the three with an automatic gearbox inside. Beautiful blue interior color. And this is actually what we don't see in nowadays cars, a beautiful color combination. So let me release this handle so that the hood goes beautiful into the front grille. And there we see the full restored engine. It is beautiful, a 6-inline engine producing 170 horsepower with all the galvanized details. All parts that are not restorable have been replaced, like plastic parts. The battery is very good working, matching with the car. And just beautiful details right here. So guys, thanks for watching Mercedes-Benz King. I hope you liked the video with the lineup of 280 SL's Pagodas here at Motor Classic Hungary. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.